I'm president and CEO of the Maritime Association of South Carolina. We are a nonprofit member-based organization that promotes maritime commerce, so all things that touches the supply chain, all things that come through our waterways outside of Charleston. I really think it's super important for these students to realize there's amazing opportunities that pay higher than average for the state, and it can happen right in their backyard with really any level of education as well. They can have a high school degree, a 2-year degree, a 4-year degree, and really do awesome work within the logistics supply chain industry. So you can check out maritimesc.org. We have over 250 members. We have events throughout the year as well. And yeah, like I said, education workforce is kind of one of our platforms.
All right, we are here with Kara from Neal Brothers. Kara, Neal Brothers is so big here. Y'all do so much for the community. Talk to me more about the company.
We are a cargo logistics company. We are experts in exports, imports, warehousing, cargo handling, packaging. We're your one-stop shop.
And then why did y'all come here today for the expo?
Well, we're excited because there's a lot of students that are going to be here. We want to talk to them about the maritime industry, logistics industry, help them out to make decisions, career decisions for their future. It's exciting. We're a big part of the community. We really want to be here, so it's wonderful. We want to be a part of the future. We give back to our community. We want to make sure that these students know what a wonderful industry this is to get involved in, a great career path. And it's just a real good feeling for us. We're a company that appreciates our neighbors and our backyard and our friends and other companies, and we just feel that it's important to be part of the community and do the right thing.